Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I got Audi TT. This is 2014 model. Have a look what happened to the brake light, because inside saying need a replace brake light. You can see driver side work, and what happened to the passenger side? It's not working, yeah? Okay. And also inside the dashboard you can see that middle message. Right. Okay, I'm going to show you how we going to change the bulb, or how we going to remove the lamp to check what's going on there. Basically, you don't want any special tool. If you have this tool, you need to lift up this screwdriver. It's in your toolkit. Right. First of all, we need to remove this flap using flat screwdriver and remove the flap. And after that, you can remove this, and we can use this one for inside. You can see, yeah, this one install and turn anti-clockwise. See, it's sit on like this and turn anti-clockwise. Then after that, slightly wiggle this side and little bit push towards left side and remove. Right. I'm going to disconnect this whole nuts, and I'm going to take a whole holder out. Right. Okay, I'm going to leave it as it is. What I said, you can see this knob. It's need to go one inside here. It's need to go in here, and the another one in the bottom. It's need to go in. Once you lined up here, just push in and do it. Right. Now we'll see what happened to the bulbs. Look like nothing wrong with the bulbs, but however, I'm going to start the car and have a look. Are the light bulbs working? I'm going to do the side light on. Oh, indicator. Yeah, indicator lights working. And see, this one also now work. Then I'm going to apply the brake. I'm going to switch off other lights and going to apply the brake. You can see it's work. I feeling somewhere loose connection. That's why it won't work. Basically, both light you saw working. Right. Next step, I'm going to remove this connector and have a look visually any problem with this connector. Yeah, see, this is the problem. That's why it's not work. Basically, you can see here inside all burn. When I wiggle, it's work. Now we know what's going on, because when you see this bulb work, then you install, then again it's a problem. Right. Now we have a confidence answer. What happened? Connectors burn. We need to replace this connector, and we need to replace whole complete lamp, because inside all burn out. Now you know what's the problem. This one not work. Thanks. Please subscribe and follow my channels. You can get lot of video like this.